In this video, I'm going to show to you kung paano kumita sa panahon ng krisis. Yes, that's right. From processing to pricing, I'm going to show you how to do that. And today, we're going to make mango tapioca. So, first for the ingredients, we have the tapioca, and that's the final result. Then we also have the jellies, the mango jelly. This is the yellow unflavored gelatin. We have here 2 big condensed creamer, and then we also have full cream milk. Some mangoes. I got this for 25 per kilo. Yes, it's only 25 per kilo because it's the season, the mango season. And then this is the final result. And now let's start with the mixing. Bottle it up. Okay, so I got this for 28 pesos per pack. There's 5 of it. So you are also gonna need this. We call this the funnel or the embudo, and some mug. So you can just do it like that. Hi guys, so we made 30 bottles. So nakuha natin yung quota natin na 30 bottles. So the expected sale for all of that is 1.5. So now let's proceed with how we do the pricing. Okay, so for the pricing, just list down all the ingredients, the quantity and the unit price, total it out. And the total cost for this project is 779 pesos and 75 cents. Now for the profit, we yield 30 pieces. We sold it for 50 pesos. Total is 1.5 minus expenses. And the profit is around 720 pesos and 25 cents. So how did we sell it? Online live. Here's a clip of how I posted it on Facebook. Hi guys, we are live here in our place, and we are selling you this tapioca. 50 pesos. This is for 50 pesos. Bye na guys. Be, patilawa ko na ko. Patilawa ko na ko, be. Patilawa ko na ko. Be. Yummy tapioca.